Hello there, welcome everybody. It's Diorama Don here. Something a little bit different this time. Because I live in Thailand, my local shopping channel has a lot to do with Chinese manufacturers. So we're able to buy things from China very cheaply, and the postage sometimes is free, as in this case. So I paid $4, $4 American, or £3 English. So I'm not expecting much, and this is what I got. Okay, it's a big box, right way up. It's a nice big box, although it did come a little bit squished, so I was a little apprehensive to start with, but for the price I'm not going to complain about anything. But it is a Tiger 1 tank. It's a plastic kit. I don't know the make because I can't read Chinese, so we'll see what's in the box. We've got instructions on how to put it together, and I'll just take it. Okay, that's what we've got. So it's a 172 scale, by the way, it's not 135. So I've got my tank tracks, which alone must be worth £3, you would think. So there's the detailing, if you can see that. There's the tools for on the back. Okay, it looks. Oh, that's the wheels. All in one piece, all the wheels fixed. So the only thing obviously I can do is put it together. I'll see how long it takes, see what I end up with, and then I've got some suitable paint that I shall paint it with, and highlight the tools and wheels and what have you. So I'll do as good a job as I can, and we'll see what kind of thing, what object we get for £3. So I'll be back in a moment and we'll see exactly what turns up. So I put my Tiger tank together. These are the instructions. It's just one sheet of paper. Quite easy to follow, quite straightforward. They're blocks of plastic that lock into each other, so no glue involved, rather like a Lego kit, I suppose. If I were given the opportunity to assemble another one, it would probably take me about 10 minutes. As it was, this took me over 2 hours. Okay, I made a few mistakes on the way, and if you make a mistake at the beginning, nothing fits at the end, so I had to disassemble it a few times, but we got there in the end. So the big reveal, quick roll on the drums, and there we are. I think it's absolutely fantastic. The detailing is as good as any 135 scale Tamiya kit. It's got everything you would expect on there. It's so very finely detailed. It's very good, and the weight. It's actually heavier than my 135 scale Tamiya kit. It's actually heavier than that. So because the blocks of plastic are solid, then it makes it quite a heavy, solid thing. Okay, so there we are. I'm very pleased with it. So much so that there are 2 others in the series that I've ordered already. There's a Panther and another one, I forget. So when they arrive, I'll assemble those and then make a diorama with all 3 of the tanks. I'll make a 172 scale diorama. But just another quick look. I mean, it's absolutely as detailed as you. I just can't get I can't get over how good it is. I'm not the greatest of painters or finishers of plastic kits. If you watch any of my videos, I make dioramas. That's what I do. I include military vehicles in them, but to make plastic kits and then finish them the way that some people can do, I really do appreciate what they can do, and I can't. All the weathering and chipping and rusting and things that the people do, but you could easily do that with this. It would be no problem at all for somebody cleverer than me to actually finish a tank like this. So great potential, really, but this is going to have to do. So there we are. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'm approaching 5,000 subscribers, but I'm not quite there yet. So if you wouldn't mind just clicking the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and then the all button, and then you will be notified when new videos come along. They won't all be 1/72 scale Tiger tanks. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, something a little bit different, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, as always, I wish you the very best of happy modelling.